Let me show you how I achieved this delicious egg stew recipe. Let's start cooking. So first of all, I'm going to start by cutting my veggies. I'm using about 3 large tomato, celery, and I'm going to use a large onion. So with this recipe, you can use as many vegetables as you want. So after we're done cutting our vegetables, I'm going to use coconut oil. And this is one of my favorite coconut oil that I use for my cooking. So next we're going to use pink salmon. So I'm just trying to open it up. So after you added your oil, go ahead and add your diced onion. Add your favorite seasoning. So I'm adding in here onion powder, garlic powder. After that, just stir a little bit and leave it to cook. So after you're done, just go ahead and add the rest of your seasoning. So I'm adding in here paprika powder. Next, I have here my hot pepper powder, but I'm not going to add a lot because I'm going to try and share this recipe with my daughter. So I add about a half teaspoon of pepper powder. So next, add your tomato paste. You can use any kind, but I have this salsa at home and that's what I'm using. So I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. After you add, then go ahead and stir. Let it cook for about 5 minutes. Next, go ahead and add your vegetables. So I'm adding in here carrots, tomatoes, celery. Next, we're going to stir everything up together. After you're done, go ahead and add your salt. So I'm going to add about a half teaspoon of salt. So next, I have here black pepper and I'm going to add about a half teaspoon. Alright guys, so next I'm adding here my garlic herb spice, but you can use any spice that you have in your pantry. And I'm also adding about 1 teaspoon. So next, stir really well. And after you're done, let's continue adding our vegetables. So I just cut here bell peppers. And this is about 3 pieces. So after you're done, go ahead and add your fish. And this is my pink salmon and this is wild caught. So yes, give it a very nice stir without over stirring it. So I'm going to add here my basil seasoning, guys. I love this seasoning and this is about a half teaspoon. Go ahead and stir and then we're going to add our eggs. So I'm adding about 6 large eggs in there. Well, it depends. If you want more, you can feel free and add that. So after you're done adding your eggs, just cover it and have it simmer. So after it's done simmering, just go ahead and then stir. Again, make sure that you give it a very light stir. Yes, so after that, just cover it again and have it cook. Because it's just halfway done. Alright guys, the house smells so nice. I wish you guys can smell. So you can tell it looks so good. And I'm adding here my curry powder. Next, I just cut a few spinach and I'm going to throw that on top. Alright, so give it a very good stir. And guys, look at how chunky and delicious this egg stew came out. And today, I'm going to show you what I'm going to serve this amazing egg stew with. And I know, guys, that you can't wait to try this at home. Because I really enjoy this recipe. So this is what we're going to eat with. I have cooked basmati rice, but you can surely use any rice of your choice. Guys, this is how I serve my egg stew and I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to try this recipe at home and leave me a comment and a feedback. Thank you.